Hey everyone, welcome back to Arizona Tiles channel. I'm Chad, and today I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to know about your quartz countertops. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. The most important thing to know about quartz slabs is that unlike marble, quartzite, or granite, they're a man-made product. Our exclusive Delaterra quartz collection is made from crushed quartz in various sizes, mixed with pigments and resins to bind that material together. Because it's man-made and bound with resins, quartz has an extremely low porosity and is highly resistant to staining. The vast majority of quartz products do not require sealing. Our Delaterra quartz collection is produced in a wide range of colors. Colors are manufactured with very tight tolerances. Therefore, the colors will be more consistent from slab to slab. Many of our quartz materials have a polished or glossy finish. Although they do have a sheen, it's important to note that quartz has a lower gloss level than granite and other natural stones, primarily due to the resin content. Quartz slabs have a relatively consistent finish, and unlike many natural stone products, they will not have pitting, fissures, etc. While its man-made qualities have many benefits, quartz is more prone to damage from heat exposure and harsh cleaners than natural stone. Direct exposure from heat and UV rays can cause discoloration of the slab. Therefore, we recommend always using a trivet between constant heat sources in your quartz countertop. This includes hot pans in the kitchen and even hairstyling tools like flat irons or curling irons on vanities. If your project requires a seam or a place where two slabs will meet, be aware that in all installations these seams will be visible and typically can be felt. These seams are often more visible with solid colors than with colors that have more variation. This isn't exclusive to quartz. Seams are typically visible and able to be felt with any countertop material selection. Keeping your quartz countertops clean will help them to look their best year after year. Luckily, quartz is best known in the industry for its easy care. The ideal cleaner for quartz is a soft cloth using a gentle soap and water. For general maintenance, you can also use a pH-neutral cleaner. It's this easy maintenance and the fact that quartz is unlikely to stain that makes it an excellent option for lived-in areas. If you love to cook in your kitchen every day, or if you have kids who are using the space routinely, quartz may be an excellent option for you. We recommend using quartz in interior installations only, but it is absolutely durable enough to be used both commercially and residentially. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some insights on using quartz countertops for your project. Let us know down in the comments if you're going to consider quartz for your next project. And if you're still not sure if quartz is the right countertop for you, definitely go check out some of the other videos to learn about alternative countertop options. Understanding your material before you have it installed is a great way to ensure that you're happy with it for years to come. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. We love to share information with you about our products and company. Click that subscribe button down below and make sure you have those notifications turned all the way on so you're the first to see the next video. See you next time.